Glam Dolls. I'm here today to share with you all how I wash my synthetic wigs. And so many of you have inboxed me and have asked throughout several videos, hey, you review and you wear all these wigs, but how do you maintain them? So in this video, that is exactly what you are about to see. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay dolls, I'm starting out with using a wide tooth comb. No particular brand of choice, but using a wide tooth comb enables me to comb through the hair a lot easier. And then my conditioner is from my local Dollar Tree. It's by Daily Defense. It's infused with hydrating coconut and hibiscus oil. It's paraben free. It's fantastic for synthetic wig units simply because it doesn't leave any harsh residue or weigh the hair down. So this is the Dermot Wig and Weave spray system. This one is the moisturizer and conditioning. It shines and conditions your natural hair, your synthetic wigs, and it's great for weaves and extensions. Fantastic to have in your hair care arsenal. In addition to me utilizing the moisturizing and conditioning spray, I'm also using the Dermot Wig and Weave net spray. The net spray gives a firm hold. It is a styling spray designed exclusively for synthetic wigs and for your natural hair, weaves, and extensions just the same. So the wig I'll be washing in this video is by Sensationnel. It's part of their Cloud 9 Swiss Lace edition. The name is called Audrey, and I've had some problems with her before in the past as far as styling her. So I'm more than hopeful that with a good conditioning wash, I should be able to style her that much better. Without further ado, let's get into it. So I'm focusing in on that hairline because that's where I apply my makeup, gel, and hairspray to lay the wig down. And I'm going to take the wide tooth comb and gently comb through the unit. I'm doing this to ensure that there's no kinks or anything like that prior to me even washing the wig. Once I finish combing through the unit, I'm going to now prep the sink with nice cool water. Not cold water, cool water. And the reason for using cool water is to ensure that there's no damage to it being a synthetic unit, because cool water helps the unit to maintain its natural state and to keep the curls and stuff going. So with the conditioner in hand, I'm going to use a considerable amount. Okay, a lot. A lot of conditioner. Whoo, that's a lot. But anyway, so I'm using a lot of conditioner. That's just to make sure that the water is thoroughly conditioned. And then I'm gonna go ahead with my fingertips being already wet. I'm gonna take some of the water and start sprinkling it onto the hair, and then place the wig gently into the sink. Once I got the wig laid into the sink, I'm gonna press down on it to submerge it into the nice cool water, making sure that the wig is completely saturated with the water, flipping it from side to side. Once I do that, now is where I begin to pick up the conditioner and start adding some more conditioner onto the wig. I'm gonna put a generous amount in the palm of my hand. Okay, a lot. Rub my hands together, and then I'm gonna take my fingertips and rub the conditioner onto the hair in a slow downward motion. You don't want to scrub it or anything like that, because the key to all of this process is not disturbing the natural state and curl pattern of the hair. However, you can scrub around your hairline. You can definitely scrub inside of the wig cap. You can, scrub around its perimeters, but you do not want to scrub the actual hair itself. So I'm just gently running my fingers through the hair, as you can see. Then I'm going to take the wide tooth comb, gently comb through it. This is why a wide tooth comb is needed, because you don't want to disturb the curl pattern. But if I come across a kink, what I'm going to do is not fight the kink. I'm not going to try to, comb the little knot out or something like that. What I would do instead is hold the hair tightly where the kink is at, take the wide tooth comb and gently comb through it. Not forcibly, but just gently comb through it. Then place it back into the water, okay? The little kink that I was combing through, It comes out in the water after you rub your fingers through the hair. This is the kink that I was combing out, and you know what, honestly, I'm not even mad at it, because look, it's just a little bit of it. Look at that. That's equivalent to if I would have combed, you know, my own natural hair. It's just a little bit of strand. So for that, I'm not mad at it. So now that I've gotten the kink out, I'm going to resume back to taking the hair once again with the wide tooth comb and gently comb through it. And this time the comb runs all the way through it from root to end, effortlessly, easy as 1, 2, 3. Yep. So now that I done washed and, you know, conditioned the hair, it's now time to hang it. And I'm utilizing my canvas block wig head, but I did put a plastic bag over it just to protect the canvas part. And I'm going to take the wig while it's completely soaked and wet and place it on the canvas. By the way, I have it standing inside of my shower stall. Place it on there. Position the wig how I would, you know, want to wear it. See that it's nice and wet with the wide tooth comb. Gently comb through the hair once again, not trying to disturb the curl pattern. Gently going to comb through it with the wide tooth comb. Get it in its desired style, how I want the hair to dry naturally. Take the wide tooth comb through it. Then I'm going to take the lusterizing and conditioning spray first. Spray the wig down at a reasonable distance. I'm going to go ahead and spray the wig all the way around its perimeters and sides, because this is the lusterizer and conditioner. You can kind of think of the spray more so as a leave-in conditioner, and you can use it on dry wigs too. Go ahead and use the net spray. Remember, this is the firm holding spray for the wig to maintain its natural curl state, and you only need a little bit. Just a little bit of this spray. So spray a little bit of it. Take the wide tooth comb, gently comb through the hair once again. After I comb through the hair, take the natural net that the hair came in, put it back on the wig, make sure it's secured, and it's going to hold the wig in place as it dries naturally on its own. And voila, this is how I wash my synthetic wigs, dolls. Okay, dolls, it was pretty straightforward. That's just a way in which I wash my wigs. Best believe there are a plethora of different videos throughout YouTube sharing with you tips on how they wash their wigs too. And my video was just a way. But with that being said, I want to show you the finished end result now that she had the opportunity to dry. Voila, she's looking gorgeous as ever. I'm loving how the body is back, its natural shine is back, and so now what I need to do is reapply her and give her another chance, simply because, as I've said throughout a few other videos, this wig right here, by the way, let me show it to you one more time. It is the Sensational What Lace Audrey. This wig right here did give me quite a few problems as far as applying her. So now that she had a nice, good co-wash, I'm strongly in hopes that I can apply her a lot better. So that's going to be another video coming up very, very soon. So on that note, dolls, this now concludes the video. I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch this video, and I'm going to go and start to apply Audrey, but I will see you in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.